So this is the BISSELL CleanView Compact, but it looks really similar to this other vacuum. So if you've been doing some vacuum shopping, you've probably compared the Amazon Basics vacuum to the BISSELL CleanView, and they look awfully similar, don't they? They both have clear canisters that easily detach. They empty in a very similar way from the bottom. Their handles pop off for an extension tube in a very similar way. Their hoses are very similar in length, and handle design is very similar as well. Even the materials feel very similar. Even the quick release for the hoses is designed in a very similar way. I could probably even put the handle from the... Never mind, no I can't. It's slightly bigger. It's slightly different. But what you really want to know is which one is going to do a better job for you. The vacuum that I've been using for about the past 7 years with a couple of battery replacements is a Dyson stick vacuum. So not a big roll around canister vacuum like this, but you know, a pretty powerful stick vacuum. It's a Dyson. You know what they say about Dyson. They're supposed to have the most suction and all of those things, but surprisingly, I vacuumed a carpet with my Dyson, and then I vacuumed half of it over again with the BISSELL and the other half of it over again with the Amazon Basics. And this is what the BISSELL picked up that the Dyson left behind. And all this is what the Amazon Basics picked up. There's about twice as much hair in the Amazon Basics that was left behind by the Dyson than what the BISSELL picked up. But both of them picked up a significant amount of hair, dust, and dirt off of this carpet that the Dyson had actually left behind. So you can't go wrong with either one of these budget vacuums, but I think the Amazon Basics one is just a little bit more powerful, and it definitely surprised the heck out of me to see how much my Dyson was leaving behind. So either way you go, you're gonna be happy.